Welcome students, standard 8, subject mathematics, unit number 8, quadrilateral, constructions and types. In this unit we study example number 3 in practice set 8.3. Read the example carefully. Example number 3, construct a parallelogram ABCD such that length BC 7 cm, angle ABC 40 degree, length AB is equal to 3 centimeter. First we draw a rough figure. For this construction. ABCD is a parallelogram. Name here ABCD. Now write the all information. BC 7 centimeter, AB 3 centimeter, angle ABC 40 degree. Now we know that to draw any quadrilateral we must have 5 elements out of the 10 elements, means 4 side, 4 angles and 2 diagonal. These are the 10 elements of quadrilateral. Out of these, if 5 elements are given, then we can construct a quadrilateral. Now here to draw parallelogram 3 informations are given, so we use its properties. Opposite sides are congruent, so AB is equal to 3 centimeter, then CD is equal to 3 centimeter, BC 7 centimeter, then AD is equal to 7 centimeter. 1 2 3 4 and this angle be 45. So we get 5 elements. Now we construct a quadrilateral. First we draw side BC having length 7 centimeter. BC having length 7 centimeter. This is BC 7 centimeter. Then draw an angle ABC 40 degree. Note here, this is angle ABC 40 degree. Draw a ray angle 40 degree. Now from B to A 3 centimeter distance, take a 3 centimeter distance in your compass. And draw an arc which intersect this ray. This point is point A. This is 3 centimeter. From A to D it is 7 centimeter. Take a distance 7 centimeter in your compass. Draw an arc. And C to D 3 centimeter. So take a distance 3 centimeter and intersect this arc. Where it intersects, that point is here. Intersect, that point is D, and join point C and D and A and D. And write the all information. 3 centimeter, 7 centimeter. This is our parallelogram ABCD. Now example number 4. Ratio of consecutive angles of quadrilateral 1:2, 2:2, 3:4. Find the measure of each angle. Write with reason which type of quadrilateral it is. ABCD is a quadrilateral. First we draw a figure. So name this quadrilateral PQRS. yes, or ABCD maybe. Now these angles are in ratio P as to uh, P P as to Q, P as to Q as to angle S as to angle R is equal to 1 as to 2 as to 3 as to 4. So their common multiple bx, therefore P is equal to x, angle Q is equal to 2x, angle S is equal to PQRS. So here write R and here S. P 1x, angle Q 2x, angle R 3x, and angle S 4x. We know the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore angle P plus Q plus R plus S is equal to 360 degree. 360 degree. Substituting their respective values, 4x is equal to 360, 10x is equal to 360. Therefore x is equal to 360 by 10, x is equal to 36. X is equal to 36 gives angle PX, therefore it is 36 measure. Angle Q is equal to 2 into 36 gives 72 degree. Angle R is equal to 3x, 3 into 36 gives 108 degree. Angle S is equal to 4x, means 4 into 36 is equal to 144 degree. These are the respective measures. Now here question is that find each angle. We find what types of quadrilateral. Now see here, angle P plus S, P plus S, angle P plus S is equal to 36 plus 144 gives 180 degree. But angle P plus Q, see here, it is not 180, 108 degree. So we can conclude that angle P plus S is equal to 180 gives SR parallel PQ, and hence the quadrilateral PQRS is a trapezium. It is a trapezium. Example number 5. Construct quadrilateral BARC such that BA is equal to BC is equal to 4.2 cm, AC is equal to 6 cm, AR and CR are congruent having length 5.6 cm. Then construct BARC. First we draw a rough figure. BARC. Now note their measurement BA and BC. BA and BC are same, 4.2 cm, BA 4.2 cm. AR and CR are congruent. These are two congruent. AR 5.6 cm, CR 5.6 cm. These are congruent. And AC, one diagonal is given 6 cm. Then how can we construct this quadrilateral? Remember the construction of quadrilateral. 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. Remember, use this type of construction of quadrilateral. First draw the diagonal AC having length 6 cm. AC 6 cm. Then construct this triangle having side respective AB, BC and AC. Take a distance A to B 4.2 cm in your compass. And draw arc from B to C. See here, from A to B 4.2 cm, C to B 4.2, C to B. So we draw and intersect this arc. Where intersect this arc, name this point B. So we construct this triangle ABC. This is 4.2 cm, this is 4.2 cm. Then we construct triangle ARC. From A to R 5.6 centimeter. Take in your compass 5.6 centimeter. Draw an arc. From C to R 5.6 centimeter, which intersect here. Where it intersect, name that point is R. And join point A and R and C and R. This is 5.6 centimeter. This is 5.6 centimeter. These are congruent. These are congruent. This is quadrilateral BARC. And then solve the example number 6 as the same example number 5.